Hello everyone, Gerard here. If you're new to the channel, I make tutorial videos primarily on Philippine taxation. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the new deductible expense brought about by Create Law. Upon the effectivity of Create Law, taxpayers opting for itemized deductions in computing taxable income may claim additional value of labor training expense. You can read more about this in Revenue Regulations 5-2021. So the requisites of deductibility of additional training expense is the amount that can be claimed is 1/2 of the value of the training expense incurred for skills development of enterprise trainees. Trainees are enrolled in public institutions and duly covered by the apprenticeship agreement of the Labor Code of the Philippines. Third is there is proper certification from either DepEd, TESDA, or CHED. And then that such deduction shall not exceed 10% of the direct labor wage. Now, based on Article 71 of the Labor Code of the Philippines as amended, it also mentions there the requisites for deductibility of training costs. As always, I will link all of the video's references in the description section. So let's have some illustrative problems demonstrating how additional training expense can be claimed. In our first illustration, a domestic corporation had gross sales of 100 million for the fiscal year ending June 30, 2021 and incurred cost of sales 60 million and operating expenses of 17,500,000 with the following details as shown. Assuming the corporation has complied with the withholding tax requirement on all costs and expenses incurred subject to withholding tax, compute the corporation's net taxable income. The amount of 1.5 million, on which 1/2 of the value of the actual training expense of 3 million can be claimed as additional deduction since it did not exceed 10% of the direct labor wage. In this scenario, the corporation's direct labor wage incurred was 20 million. Thus, the 1/2 value of the actual training expense of 1.5 million did not exceed the 2 million, which is 10% of the 20 million threshold. Provided further that all the prescribed requirements, which I mentioned earlier, have been complied with. In our second illustration, assuming that the direct labor wage is only 10 million, therefore, the additional deduction that can be allowed shall be 1 million, as this is the threshold for additional deduction for training expense. And that's it. So if you have any questions regarding this topic, you can post them in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer all of them. And if you are interested with other deductible expenses, you can check out the playlist that I'll show at the end of this video. So if you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because it helps me create more videos for you guys. So as always, a huge thanks for watching and I'll talk to you in the next one.